In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your TD Bank account to a Bank of America account using the TD Bank app or online banking. This is a simple process, and once everything is set up properly, it only takes a few minutes to complete. Before you begin, make sure you have access to your TD Bank account and that you also have the Bank of America routing number and account number ready. You'll need those details to add the receiving account correctly, and it's always a good idea to double check them before submitting anything to avoid delays or failed transfers. To get started, open the TD Bank app on your phone or go to TD Bank's online banking website from your computer and log in securely. After signing in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. This helps avoid sending money from the wrong place. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfers section. From there, select External Transfers. This option is typically used when you want to send money to a bank account outside of TD Bank, such as a Bank of America account. If your transfer is a smaller amount and you want it to arrive more quickly, you may also have the option to choose Zelle instead. That can be useful for instant or near instant transfers depending on eligibility and account setup. Next, add Bank of America as the recipient account. You'll do this by entering the routing number and the account number exactly as provided for that account. Be careful while typing, since even one incorrect digit can send the transfer in the wrong direction or cause it to be rejected. If the app or website asks you to confirm the account information, take your time and review it closely before moving forward. After the recipient has been added, enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure the amount is within your available balance and within any transfer limits that may apply to your account. Once the amount is entered, review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the sending account, the recipient account, and the transfer amount. If everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transfer. After submitting, you may receive a confirmation message or reference number. It's a good idea to save that for your records in case you need to track the transfer later. And that's it. That's how to send money from TD Bank to Bank of America using the TD Bank app or online banking.